Hi, I will show you how to download and install the iOS 14 on iPhone. Before you start your download and install the software, you need to do like a backup your phone to iCloud, and your mobile must be charged and connected to the electricity, and you must connect to a Wi-Fi. The space required on your iPhone must be like, it will take like 2.37 gigabyte. And it's better for you to delete all videos and pictures that are needed. And you need to have all the password like Apple ID. If you have an exchange, you need a username and a password. If you have an application that it's required a username and a password, you must have it. Or your app, it will be there after upgrade to iOS 14. I will show you how. You go for a setting. Sorry, let's go back. Then go for a general, then software upgrade. You can see here I'm downloading here. If you can see, look at down, and the remaining is like 3 minutes. It will download, the fully download, then it will install, and your phone, it will be restart, and it will be, there will be like installing. After installing, you will set up your mobile as like a new mobile, but all your application, your photo, your document will be there. That's all. Thank you. I will continue with another video after you install. Thank you.